In this video,
We will learn how to get money while playing Fortnite. If you are looking to make money while playing Fortnite, there are multiple ways to do so depending on your skill, audience reach, and commitment. So, one of the ways to earn money while playing Fortnite will be streaming and content creation, which equals to passive and scalable income for you. If you enjoy playing Fortnite and interacting with an audience, streaming is one of the best long-term ways to make money. You can earn through donation and tips, which viewers can donate money via Twitch Bits, Streamlabs, or PayPal. Platforms like Twitch offer paid subscriptions from which you can get a cut. Twitch and YouTube also give you a portion of their ad revenues. Brands will also pay you to promote products if you have enough viewers. And promoting gaming gears and earning commissions through affiliate links is also a viable choice. And if you are a highly skilled player but is someone who doesn't interact with their audience much, you can easily be a competitive player and earn money based on tournaments. Epic Games roughly hosts cash tournaments and from which you can easily earn real money. FNSC, which is Fortnite Championship Series, is the biggest official Fortnite competition, which prize pool reaches around $1 million. Cash Cups are also weekly events where top players can win anywhere from 200 to 10,000 plus dollars. There are some lesser known tournaments that is hosted by a couple of websites like repeat.gg, Z-League, game.tv, and EGL. Fortnite also provides a support a creator program where you get a 5% commission when players use your creator code to buy in-game items. In order to do this, you have to have at least 1,000 followers on social media platforms, be active in creating content related to Fortnite, and you can apply via the Epic Games website. Coaching and boosting is also another way to earn money from Fortnite. If you are really good at Fortnite, you can make money by coaching other players. Many players are willing to pay for lessons to improve their aim, building, and strategies. Websites like Fiverr, Game Sensei, and Metafy allows you to sell coaching sessions. Rates range from $10 to $100 per hour depending on your skill and reputation. You can also try selling Fortnite accounts which hosts rare skins like the Renegade Raider, Black Knight, or Galaxy. High-level Fortnite accounts with battle passes are also something that you can try to sell to earn a lot of cash. Creating and selling Fortnite contents like maps, thumbnails, GFX, and edits are also viable ways to earn money. If you are creative, you can make money without playing the game directly by selling custom maps, using Unreal Engine tools to design maps and monetize them through the Creators Economy 2.0 program. Maps that gain popularity earn revenue based on engagement. And also many streamers and YouTubers need Fortnite thumbnail designers, video editors, and highlights to make reels. Sell these services on Fiverr, Twitter, or Discord. So these are a couple of ways that you can earn money by playing Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.